do not buy any tools from this company that I bought it from. They're out of Minnesota. And I can't remember, Tool Warehouse maybe? Tool Warehouse or something out of Minnesota. What up, guys? CP the Tool Addict. Woohoo! Henry. Just eyeball him, Henry. Come on, buddy. Come on, little fella. Come on, little fella. Yes, sir. Are you excited? Are you excited? Are you excited? Yes, you is. You're excited to be outside. Look at that smile. Hey, look at that smile. Give him the old Henry smile. Woo! We are ready to go today. I hope you all are having a great 1776 Freedom Holiday, because it is 4th of July weekend. And I got some videos out. Obviously, it's not 4th of July for me yet. I'm making this ahead of time. That's what I always do, if you guys don't know. I've got a video. I've got this here big box of something in here. Start cutting that thing up. And we're going to open it up and show you what it is. Talk about this, put it together. Stick around. Alright, so let's whack this thing open. I'm using my knife here, this thing, the Morkiv. Watch this. This thing's gangster. And we're gonna open this up. Sorry, I cut my address off here for all you YouTube creepers who literally have a bored life and want to stalk people, which is weird. You know, that brings me to another quick point, guys. I don't know why we have to say this as content creators and whatnot, but what is up with the stalking? What absolutely do you gain out of it? I'm just curious. You want to prove something. YouTube is cracking down on this stuff extremely hard. I mean, and the law enforcement, if some of you watch Vice Grip Garage, you know somebody stole into his place. Cole the Corn Star had stuff happen. They're not messing around with this stuff anymore because it's getting weird. So just a little quick rant. I gotta get both hands. I can't use this. And let's get both hands and we'll lay this out. Get this piece out of here. Ugh. Well, what are you doing in there, fella? Do you want me to cut everything open? We got some feet, some roller legs. It shouldn't be too terrible hard to. We got a box within a box. Perfect. What else is in here? A box within a box. We got some nuts and bolts that keep you guys in the shot. Nuts and bolts and some pads. And we got the platform. Where'd my knife go? Henry, what'd you do with my knife? Yes, you are. Oh, I set it up in there. I set it up in my giant socket. Why don't you guys tell me that? Holy shiitake mushrooms. We got a mess. Let's fast track this. Get this thing put together. Alright, so this is what this is, a Pro Step, Steck Pro Step. Okay, if you guys don't know who Steck is, I don't know if I should show it. This is really pretty easy. You guys don't want to see this. I mean, step one, put the platform, then we'll put the rubber deals through here, slide them through the pole, then we'll put both feet on the end. Pretty quick, pretty dirty. We'll see if I film some of this, but Steck Pro Step, Steck Manufacturing, been around for a while. They're manufacturer of the Big Easy, a lot of body tool stuff. They have some pretty cool stuff. They have a clip remover that's pretty awesome too. They have a clip remover that goes in the body and twist. But this thing has got a little unique feature. Why I got this. This is for fat guys. Okay, maximum load, 500 pounds. That's exactly why I got this. Now, I actually had one of these a long time ago. Henry, did you want to get up here? Did you want to get up here? Anyways, I had one of these a long time ago, and wanted to get another one for when you're working on trucks. I had several options of doing this. Now, I've made some wooden ones before, but this, I think, is pretty much the best option, especially if you're a bigger dude. Like, let's say you're 300 plus. This thing rises and lowers, and we'll show you that here after we get it assembled. But let's get it all popped together quick, and then we'll talk about it. Hopefully you guys can see me good here. I'm going to open this up, start putting the rubber protectors on the bars. Let's get these up here. Get these up here. And we're going to take these, shred them off. We aren't going to mess around with trying to peel them away. That's just a waste of time. We're going to cut them off. There we go. Pretty nice galvanized steel. Then we're going to slide one protector up a piece. And this is nice because what this does is if you bump this into something, or you can press it up against a truck or car or whatever you're working on. Real nice and easy. Okay, and then we're going to slide each one of these through the platform. That's not nice. Not nice at all. Henry! Oh, Henry! You gotta watch him. Henry likes to run off. He likes to run away and go see other dogs. All right. Now we'll try to fit these ones. See if this one, see they're off just a little bit on the hole there. All right, so we had to get the old Persuader 9000 out. So what the deal is here is if you look here, this one, they're a little tight fitting. I'm not going to say that's great manufacturing, but this was a $150 deal. I will put a link in the description for this step. I did get a deal on this. I will tell you, probably a good chance you're not going to get it for this deal. Unfortunately, what I got, I think I actually paid $129. But yeah, let's get this thing set up to finish her out. So this side fits in really good. Not bad at all. It pretty much slides in. I didn't have to tweak on it too much. Come on, little feller. This one slides pretty good, and I imagine they'll break in a little better over time. Just kind of how it is. It's a new tool, and this isn't like a machine stuff. This is a problem with stuff nowadays, guys, because we get pot metal and whatnot, but we'll go ahead and add the rest of this stuff on here. Get this thing, rest of this put together. Easiest thing to do is just flip her over and take her all the way down. We'll get the Persuader 9000 and sorry about that. I probably should mute that audio. Should be good enough. Sorry. I got carried away. We're going to slide these things here on, which are basically the stoppers, and they go on the bottom. Could put the pins in too. It's kind of a big deal to put on here. We're not worried about aesthetics here, fellas. We're going to throw a couple of these required stop pins in here to help us so we don't fight it too much. Drop her in a hole down here. That way we can kind of work with this. And then we can slide these guys on, which are also going to be fighting us. Oh, we're offset, that's why. This is a challenging piece to put in. Everything's got to be pretty much lined up. So that way you get equal distance. Cause see, we're off here now. This isn't rocket science, fellas, okay? So I'm gonna put the rest of this together, then we'll talk about it. Couple of noteworthy things here. I wouldn't recommend tightening anything until after you're done on this. Because then it's zips right together, and never mind the fella mowing. YouTube is a hard thing to do without people wanting to screw up your video recording. Just in case you're wondering. Never works out. And so yeah, we got this thing done. Made in Vietnam. Hopefully it'll break in. I'm probably gonna have to beat on it a little bit. But will it hold the fat guy? I'm sure it will. It's not, I'm not really thrilled with the how it fits. I will say that. That's kind of a pain in my butt. Hold on. Need 2 hands. All right, so as I was saying, this is definitely not my... I'm definitely not impressed with the fitment. Now, a couple things, like I said, just wait till the end to tighten everything up. The feet are adjustable. They have no nuts for them. They did short me a nut on it. And do not buy this from the company that I bought it from, which I'll have to remember. I will put it, it's not, please do not buy any tools from this company. I ordered this and it took 1 month to come in. Now, I'm probably not going to move it too much from this, but I'm going to let this rest. I have literally put all 4 pins in. That side over there on that corner was completely tweaked. I had to step on it and then push the pin in there. But I have had these in the past. And so what I'm going to do is let it rest like this. Let it set overnight. Maybe it'll come back. And then I might have to work it back and forth. Might be just the stuff inside. It definitely doesn't move as freely as it's supposed to. Maybe I'll contact Steck and see what they say. But it's definitely not what I expected it to be as far as free moving. I remember having these years ago and they moved free moving. It is made in Vietnam, which is not uncommon. They are 500-pound rated steps. And just to give you a little demonstration, I'm going to step up on here. So I'm standing on here, on top of my tool, on top of the cart. It holds me. It's definitely well worth it. Definitely has got the it's got the biscuits. It's got the, you can risk it for the biscuit on this thing. So now I got a step that I can use for a slender fella. Definitely worth the money, in my opinion. I think they're about 200 normally. Henry, get up here. Henry, will it hold you? And then it moves around. Henry, come on. Look, come here. Get up here. Come on, get up here. Henry's scared of it. Come on, get up here. Anyways, guys, that's the Steck Pro Step for you. Took me about 20 minutes to put together. Fighting it. Definitely want to have yourself a lineup pry bar too. A 13 millimeter and some sort of lineup pry bar and a 13 millimeter wrench. 20 minutes of your time. You can kind of get it set to where you need it. This is going to be a good height for all around for me, so I can work on trucks. With these trucks anymore days, it's just ridiculous. So that's the video for you guys. Hope you have a great weekend. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell. Remember, keep your hands dirty and your money clean. Thanks for watching.